In this guide, we're going over how you can customize the player indicator here in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the main menu right here, what you need to do is actually tab over up in the very top until you see this little feature section, just like so. Go ahead and select it, and then in this little section what you're looking for is the customize HUD option. So scroll all the way over to the feature section again, select customize HUD, and in here what you're looking for is your player indicator, just like so. Essentially go ahead and select this, and you're going to see a few different settings on here. For example, if you just want to turn it off, just go ahead and turn the visibility to off, just like so. But if you want to change it, you can change the graphic itself, the color, the size. It really is completely up to you. So adjust this however you want. And then from here, just go ahead and back out and you are good to go. It's going to automatically save, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.